Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of budget overlockers for beginners. Whether you're just starting your sewing journey or upgrading your toolkit, we'll be reviewing the top 5 options on the market. From affordable entry-level picks to premium machines, we've got something for everyone. Stick around until the end for the ultimate recommendation, and don't forget to check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Serger's Technique Bible by Julia Hinks. While this isn't a physical machine, it's an invaluable resource for beginners who want to master the art of serging without breaking the bank. Priced at just $20.29, this comprehensive guide explains techniques, stitch types, and troubleshooting tips. It's perfect for those who already own a serger but need a step-by-step manual to unlock its full potential. The book's design is user-friendly, featuring clear illustrations and concise instructions that simplify complex concepts like decorative stitching and fabric handling. It's a solid foundation for anyone intimidated by sergers, offering explanations for everything from threading to adjusting tension. While it doesn't replace hands-on experience, it's a fantastic supplement to your sewing journey. The main drawback is that it's only useful if you already own or plan to purchase a serger. However, as a budget-friendly tool for building your knowledge base, it's a strong contender. Ideal for beginners who want to learn the theory behind serging before investing in a machine. Coming in at number 4, we have the Yekin Sewing Machine Overlock and Serger Service Kit. This isn't a serger itself, but rather an essential toolkit designed to boost the performance and longevity of your existing machine. If you already own a sewing or overlock machine, this kit is a must-have for maintenance. The set includes 2 screwdrivers, tweezers, and a double-headed lint brush, all crafted from durable materials to handle regular use. These tools are particularly useful for cleaning feed dogs and adjusting bobbin tension, ensuring your machine operates smoothly over time. It's compact and easy to store, making it a practical addition to any sewing arsenal. However, this kit isn't a standalone product for creating stitches. It's strictly for maintenance. For beginners looking to enhance their machine's performance without investing in expensive accessories, this kit is a smart choice. It's affordable, practical, and essential for keeping your machine in top condition. And number 3 is the Lumina Sienna Serger Sewing Machine. This compact yet industrial-grade machine offers a strong balance between power and portability. It features a heavy-duty metal frame, adjustable stitch length, and 3/4-thread serger capability, making it suitable for a wide range of sewing projects. The Lumina Sienna excels in durability thanks to its robust construction. It can handle heavy-duty fabrics like denim and upholstery with ease, delivering professional edges, hems, and seams at up to 1,250 stitches per minute. The built-in LED light ensures visibility during intricate stitching, while the carry handle adds portability for sewing on the go. Its user-friendly threading system simplifies setup, making it beginner-friendly despite its semi-industrial design. On the downside, the price is not readily available, and its slightly heavier weight, 17.6 pounds, may not suit users who prioritize lightweight machines. However, for those seeking a powerful, versatile overlocker with a professional finish, the Lumina Sienna is a worthwhile investment. Taking the second spot is the Brother Serger 1034D. Known for its reliability and performance, this heavy-duty machine features a metal frame and an impressive stitching speed of 1,300 stitches per minute. It's ideal for handling multiple layers of thick fabrics like denim, making it a favorite for advanced beginners and intermediate sewers alike. The Brother 1034D is designed for ease of use, with color-coded threading guides and a lower looper threading system that simplifies setup. It also comes with 3 snap-on accessory feet, standard, gathering, and blind stitch, giving you versatility for different sewing tasks. The removable trim trap keeps your workspace clean, while the included foot pedal offers precise speed control. While the price tag of $299.99 may seem steep for beginners, the machine's durability and functionality make it a worthwhile investment for those looking to dive deeper into serging. It's perfect for users seeking performance, reliability, and ease of use in one package. And finally, at number 1, we have the Serger X5004-D metal frame serger and overlock machine. This premium option is built for durability and versatility, featuring a heavy-duty metal frame that ensures stability and longevity. With 2 3/4 stitch capability, 8 built-in stitches, and adjustable differential feed, this machine delivers professional results across a variety of fabrics and projects. The Serger X5004-D stands out for its high-speed stitching, achieving up to 1,300 stitches per minute. It's equipped with a larger cutting knife, making it perfect for trimming thick fabrics like upholstery and denim. The adjustable feed prevents puckering on lightweight materials while enabling gathering effects on stretchy fabrics. Additionally, the machine comes with a comprehensive accessory kit, including thread spool holders, tweezers, a spare lower knife, and more, all neatly stored within the built-in storage compartment. Priced at $319.99, it's the most expensive option on this list, but the advanced features and build quality justify the cost. Ideal for beginners who want to invest in a long-term, high-performance machine, the Serger X5004-D is a top-tier choice for both casual and professional sewing. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this guide helpful in choosing the right budget overlocker for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Check out the links in the description for more details on each product. Until next time, happy sewing.